New launch walkthrough. Today I'm going to share with you what actually happens from preview to ballot right down to the actual booking of a new launch unit. Before you even go down to the show flat, please be prepared. So if you haven't watched it yet, please do so to make sure that you are well prepared. Now, on the day of the VIP preview, an advisor from the appointed developer sales team, hopefully it's me, will be on site to help you walk through the whole show flat, including the show model, site plans, unit types, and of course, your financial calculation. The moment that you're keen on the unit, you'll be invited to put down an EOI, or an expression of interest, which usually comes in the form of a check or cashier's order of $10,000. This refundable EOI allows you to ballot for a unit that you want, and again, I want to emphasize the point where knowing exactly which type, the entry price, the floor level, and the unit facing, and the exit strategy is very important. Now, once that is submitted, the ballot will take place 2.5 weeks from the first day of the show flat preview. Now, balloting is usually done on a Thursday or Friday before you get a queue number and select the unit that you want. Ballot is usually done at the show flat or at the appointed agency's office, and ballot is usually done by Zoom, and the queue number will be sent to you through your advisor. Of course, if your queue number exceeds the number of units available, your advisor will be there to advise on the next steps. However, getting a high queue number does not mean that you will not get a unit, because there might be dropouts. There might be people who are not ready and they are not able to purchase the unit. So depending on what number you have, check with your advisor and he'll be the best person to advise you on the next steps. So if you decide not to proceed with the purchase, your $10,000 check or cashier's order will be refunded to you. But however, if you get a really nice lucky number, you'll be invited to the agency office or show flat to do your unit selection on the Saturday of the same week the ballot is being done. Now, it is very important that you have a few options in mind before the purchase, so when the time comes for you to select unit, you'll be very clear in terms of what you want for your unit. So if your first choice is gone, you have second, third, fourth or fifth choices in case your unit has been purchased by someone in front of you. Now, you must be very well prepared, because in a situation like this, it's going to be chaotic, it's going to be messy, and your unit type is very popular. You need to make a decision on the spot. So your advisor is very important, because he or she will make sure that you get the right unit at the right entry price with the right goal in mind. And with that, congrats, you're the owner of a new house.